Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Today, let us see how a wife can make the family happy, or role of a wife. Nowadays, I told you we are having a lot of divorces because lack of understanding between the couples. If the couples understand themselves, then there won't be any problem. The role of other people of the family is not that much important as the role of the couple. So, few days back we have seen the role of the husband. Today let us look at the role of the wife. Even wife should try to make love the predominant factor in the intimate relationship, to live with her husband on a high moral plane. At the same time, you are, what I can say, understanding each other, and more important is you should have faith in one another. That is very, very important. If there is no faith, then everything goes off. That is why be truthful. Be truthful to your partner. That is very important. If you are truthful, if you are reliable, then there won't be any problem. So you should be reliable, you should be truthful. That is very, very important. Then next is keep yourself neat, clean, attractive, and well dressed, just as you were when you first met him. Otherwise, what happens once the marriage is over? The wife feels, now what is there? Who is going to look at me? And they leave in any way. No, don't do like that. Have a good, attractive look. Try your utmost to spend your husband's earnings with thoughtful economy. Otherwise, it is not that husband is earning means spend it in any way. No. Be thoughtful, and if he too finds that you are good in saving, in spending, everything, he will be very happy at you. Make him feel that you are doing this. Show him the ways you try to save money, and he will be encouraged to give you greater responsibility with the income he brings home. Why it happens? Because you are showing him how you can do it, how you can earn, how you can save. Then he too will feel happy. After all, you are knowing once you get married, afterwards you will be having your own family, your own kids. So you have to think about the expenses as well. Try to make him comfortable. Otherwise, I have seen some of the girls, they take all the salary of husband and send it to their parents, or sometimes keep it separate on their personal account. Don't do like this. Give him the right food to eat, balanced meals which include raw food, and so the meal should be attractive and tasteful. You are knowing food has much to do with matrimonial happiness. People say that the way or the path or the road to win a person goes through his stomach. So, wife should be careful and she should cook well so that her husband will be happy. Don't nag or use harsh speech, or don't keep on fighting with him all the time. No, it won't help. It won't bring any happiness in your house. So you should not be always harsh in your speech. Be loving, be humble, be friendly. Never speak ill of him to your women friends. Otherwise, there are such things. Never ridicule him or find fault with him before your children, either in private or in public. Influence him only through silence and love. Never be sarcastic. Otherwise, what happens? I know one husband and wife. The husband, you are knowing, he was not a spendthrift, whereas wife was spendthrift. So all the time she used to talk about how her husband is conjuice, he doesn't like to spend in front of her parents, her siblings, friends, everyone. She used to laugh at him, and in due course he became a mental patient. So don't do such things. If your husband wanders away morally, do not fight him with sarcasm, nag him or be bitter. Exercise great love and kind attention and reform him by your love. Love can win everything. And find out what are his interests. If he is interested in spiritualism or yoga, exercise, whatever, you too help him, or you too can follow it if you are interested, because it will help you both a lot. And you are going to make the house happy or bring happiness. It is the duty of both husband and wife. So it is easy to wear a cheerful smile or pour sweet happiness through our voice. It is the work of both. So no matter you are accustomed to be unhappy, you must act as if you are happy. Pretend it. Pay attention towards him. Give him good food, or whatever your shortcomings are there, shouting, fighting and all. Self-control is very, very important. So by doing all this, and think always, use the affirmation, and tell that I am very happy, I am very glad. Always use positive affirmation, and you are knowing happiness always depends upon building the right attitude. So we have to begin it immediately. The way we have come to know about it, we should start it. After all, if the family is happy, you can do well at your workplace, you will be a good friend, you will be a good companion. So, first thing is, both husband and wife should know how to behave, deal with one another, and make the family a happy family. Have a good day.